What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to take a look. We're going to give you an overview and an unboxing of an offering that's available at the Home Depot right now in their gift center from Makita. It's their brushless, LXT brushless impact driver. This baby's only costing $99. I got a lot to say about it before I even unbox it. Give you some feedback to help you because, quite frankly, you might not be the person using the tools. You might be buying this tool for somebody during this holiday shopping season. You want to know if you're getting your loved one a good value and a lot of bang for your buck. I will say this. If you're shopping that gift center at Home Depot, the gift center offerings for impact drivers, yes, they're all brushless. Yes, they're the big three. They're good brands. And they're all $99, right? They're all 99 bucks. Makita seems to be giving you the most battery for your money. The other offerings are not giving you a battery this large. This is a 3 amp hour battery, 18 volt battery. So they're going to be getting more runtime from the tool. This is product number XDT13 or XDT13 or 131, whatever you want to call it. I feel like this is the XDT13. It comes with the Makita 3-year warranty, tool and battery, lithium-ion battery that is. And you'll see the LXT advantages, the star protection technology, protects your tools and batteries from overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Because nobody likes to be over-discharged or overheated. And its ergonomics are built into every Makita tool. So literally it says here, ergonomically designed to fit the human hand. Best fit with even pressure and easy control. So no other tools will fit your hand, the human hand that is, like Makita. 1,500 inch-pounds of max torque. Variable speed, okay? So you're getting 0 to 3,400 RPM and 0 to 3,600 IPM. Now, this is a single speed tool, but the trigger, your speed control's right here, okay? Okay, so it's infinitely variable in between those ranges. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to changing demands of the application. Compact and ergonomic design at only 5 inches long and weighs only 3.3 pounds. We're gonna confirm that. That's what we do. We got Makita's rapid charger. Sorry, everyone. I spoke too soon. And although this is a multi-volt charger, this is not a rapid charger. This is a standard, it looks as though, or at least it says DC18SD. Standard something. I don't know. But at first glance, I was like, that's the rapid charger? No, it's not. We have the rapid charger here. This is DC18RC. RC would be rapid charge, right? I mean, this thing is unbelievable. It's fan cooled. It'll even sing you a tune. If you want to find out more about this rapid charger, you could go to this video here. And sometimes the charger would be a reason to explore more expensive offerings. I mean, this, in my opinion, offers a great value, this kit. But you are getting lesser charger to meet that price point. Second out of the box is the 3 amp hour battery. Now, where the other brands, you might be getting an 1.5 amp battery or an 1.3 amp battery. Maybe you're getting two 1.3 amp hour batteries. I will say this, you're not getting 3 amps, okay? One of the other brands, you're getting a 2 amp hour battery. Makita's giving you a lot of battery for your $99. And I appreciate that. I think you'll appreciate that too. And if you're buying this for someone, for the holidays, if you're buying this for someone, they'll appreciate the extra runtime. You got a nice bag here from Skeeter. They're giving you a belt clip too. I dig that. Here's the only deal. The blue in the bag, it's more of the teal. Is this an older bag? It's not the Makita blue. It's more of that teal. See what I'm saying? Like, you know, I don't know. Maybe they couldn't afford the extra dye in the fabric. It is a nice bag. Stitched nice. Will it fit your charger? It's gonna fit your charger. It'll fit your battery. Finally, it's gonna fit your tool. And I will say this much. Right out of the box, I'm super impressed already. I have a feeling the zipper might be the weak point of the bag. Hashtag just saying. But I think it's nice. Fits in there cool. The other thing is that if you're already into boxes, like if you have boxes, or maybe you don't have boxes, maybe this is a starter kit for a loved one or somebody just getting started in the trades. It's nice that they have a way to transport their tools to and from. But even if this was an additional tool for somebody that's well established in the trades and they have boxes, you could put all of that in the bag and then put it in the box. I like it. You have options. I think that the Makita kit at $99, it looks as though it's a tremendous value. I want to get my belt clip installed onto, I'm a big belt clip person. I like to have the belt clip. You know what I mean? Belt clip, belt clip, belt clip, belt clip. Even with a value offering like this, Makita goes the extra step, puts some Loctite on the threads of the fastener. Boom, done, tighten down. I will say, if your loved one's looking for a compact brushless impact driver, I really do love, this is the XDT13. It's an awesome impact driver in itself. If you wanted to find out more about this tool, you can go to that video. Now that we have our belt clip installed, let's get a specification or a weight. Bare tool, we're looking at 2 pounds, 1.2 ounces. Let's throw the battery on it. With the battery that's included, we have 3 pounds, 6.5 ounces. If you wanted a comparative, this is a compact version, right? With a 2.0 battery. Very powerful, but you're looking at 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. The size difference. Does it make much of a difference? Well, for people that are working overhead all day, every day, overhead or extending out, having a lighter, more compact tool could make a difference, especially if you're getting old like me and my joints ain't like they used to be. Old like me, my joints ain't like they used to be. We have some digital calipers. I was trained thoroughly to operate these calipers. I have a degree in caliperology. And, you know, listen, if you're trying to attain measurements in the same manner, you're going to want to, number one, read the instructions. Okay? If you want to be certified in using something like these calipers, you're going to want to go get a degree in caliperology. When I got my degree from calibration school, they said that I became the ambassador of the nation of calibration. It's unbelievable. It was a great honor that they put upon me. I truly am blessed. All right, let's move on. I mean, this is a fairly compact tool. We're at 2.39 inches at its widest point at the front, and I feel like any of my fellow caliberologists out there will probably come up with an identical measurement. We return a measurement of 4.98 inches, right under 5 inches. But if you're going to be operating something like this, you're going to need to further your education. You're going to need a doctorate in calibration. We return a measurement of 9.30 inches from top to bottom. Now, the fit and finish feels awesome. The battery engagement on the tool feels great. We are met with dual ball bearing bit retention in our collet on the flats. The inside diameter of that collet is 0.27 inches. Very, very close tolerance. You know, it's a 1/4 inch collet. Two objects can't occupy the same space, so we have a little clearance in there. But you'll see, Very tight, 0.27. Going to make for good bit retention. It's going to make for a lot less bit wobble. Seems like a great collet. I want to test one other portion of the collet. You can see here, our subcompact does not have quick insert. Okay. But our economy brushless, I mean $99, does have that quick insert collet. Pretty awesome. Another question is, though, how will that bit be retained? How does the tool perform? I will say it's a nice bright single LED. If we call it a single LED, you'll see there's 2 LEDs in that single light. Very bright, very bright. We have a battery indicator on this tool on the battery. So we do not have a battery indicator on the tool. That's pretty standard when it comes to 18-volt tools. But I know what you're thinking. Vince, how does it perform? If you want to know how this performs against other tools in that gift center, go to this video here. Okay. I will say this. We haven't tested this yet, but I feel that this Makita tool offers a lot of value for your money. And quite frankly, if you like that, getting more value for your money, then smash the like button. Quite frankly, that's free. Wait a minute, the tool? No, the tool's not free. The likes are free. So there's no reason for you not to hit it. Also, we'd love for you to leave comments down below. Do you own this Impact Driver? How's it worked out for you? Do you think that you would like to see more additions in this $99 kit? Maybe a rapid charger. Okay, would you like a couple modes on your Impact? What do you think of this kit? I think, personally, I would have no problem, even before you watching that video, I would have no problem telling you to buy this, just based on Makita's reputation for making quality tools. And I think this is probably a win. It's probably one of the best wins in that holiday center. So feel confident, but go watch that video too. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.